Here's my red pretending SMC Laguna. I made this SMC pole chains, fan chain, a reverse chain with a clip. Spin it for you. It wobbles, got some tape up there. See that? It's 2 blades. It wobbles, but it's got tape on it. See, it spins. And that's rubber band poles, and the pendants are sticky notes. So, next watch on birthday. Wait, it's 7 inches. I know the measurement. I had an orange one and the blue one. My mama gave us today. Yellow down like red blades. So on top of the blades, got stickers on the blades. When there was some weights. Next watch on birthday.